Yes, Captain Thomas. Let's have a look at the system. Holding temperatures. Under section 7.2.5.3.1 of the VSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standards, we have holding temperatures time is item 16C. It states here that PHF TCS foods must be held at 5 degrees Celsius, which is 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. That's a critical violation. That's a 5 points. The corrective action I will log into the system is discard affected TCS PHF foods, service the unit, and monitor the temperature logs.
Wow, 5 points. That's amazing, Dimitri.